question from Torah. If a Jewish guy tries to small talk with a girl, is the girl allowed to just ignore and walk away for modesty, which is likely embarrass the guy in public? How should a girl deal with a situation like this?
I missed the beginning. Could you read it again? Sorry.
Sure. If a Jewish guy tries to small talk with a girl.
Oh, small talk with a girl. Okay, yes.
Is the girl allowed to just ignore and walk away for modesty, which is likely to embarrass the guy in public? How should a girl deal with this situation like this?
Okay, so that's very good question. So I would say that it depends where they live, especially for example, if they live in the States, and so in some more moderate communities, so the women are so talkative, it's unbelievable. So like in the Shiur where I go, like sometimes I don't know, these people, I don't know, women, they come and they go, and I don't know, but sometimes there are too many women, too many, and they just stay and socialize, and in this hall, and I'm trying to avoid. I try to go through the different door. So are they always talking to their husband? I don't think so. But some of them do. Some of them maybe talking couples, but some of them like talk. So for this guy, maybe it's not. He does not even understand what it is wrong, right? So how to deal with that? So we can always answer. Also say I need to go. So I need to go. Okay. You understand? So everybody, if on Shabbos is different, but I need to go. I need to go at work. I need to go this. I apologize. I need to go. That's it. And in this case, there is no embarrassment. I understand. Unless somebody's crazy. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah, you're welcome.